Hi everyone, I'm Lauri Tapia. Welcome to my home art studio. Today I have something really special for you. It's this gouache set from the brand Caran. I bought it a couple of weeks ago and I'm gonna be using it for the first time, so I thought I could leave you a review. I'm going to be painting a floral illustration and I'm gonna leave all the steps. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below. And now let's get started. This tin case is not only good looking, I think it's super practical too. It's great for those times when you want to start painting quickly or when you're out and about, like grabbing a coffee and sketching at a cafe. The set includes 14 different colors, giving us a nice range to play with. Plus, there's this tube of white paint. It's meant for mixing, so we can get those perfect opaque shades. And this round brush that comes with it looks pretty solid for a starter. I have to say, I love how the pans are arranged here, and guess what? They are replaceable. This is super handy. It means that I can just swap them out when I run out. Let's start with adding some water to wake up these colors. And now I'm gonna mix some white paint here and see how it looks. Well, so far so good. I think the colors look beautiful. Well, and now let's see how these paints look in action. Although I find the round brush really nice, I'm going to use my own flat brushes just because it's what I'm used to. These colors are coming out really vibrant and really beautiful. No mess, just rich and opaque. So for now I'm just gonna keep painting here and later I'll come back with more details. Now, let's talk about layering these colors. It's actually really nice. You can see how each color goes on top of the other smoothly. There is no blending, there is no smudging of the layers underneath. This is pretty awesome. The result is so smooth and the colors stay really opaque. This is exactly what I was hoping for this set. It makes the whole painting process feel super easy and very enjoyable. Now, let's test how these gouache paints pair with Prismacolor pencils. I often use these pencils for added details and shading. The pencils don't glide as smoothly as I like on the painted areas. I don't think it's bad, it's just not of my liking. On the other side, I have to say, I'm really liking adding highlights with the white pencil. Alright, wrapping up, I have to say, I am really liking this set. I usually go for acrylic gouache, but not worrying about the paint drying, it's a huge plus. They're also perfect for taking along on trips or painting outdoors. I have to say, I can't wait to use them more. And that's a wrap on my review of the Caran Dry Gouache set. I really hope this video helps you out. If you used this set before, or if you have any other gouache experiences, I'd love to hear about them. Please drop your stories in the comments below. And please remember, stay creative, stay inspired, and until next time, take care.